This is a really quick recipe. We're gonna do shaved Brussels sprouts with a little bit of Mirepoix. We got celery, carrots, onions here. We got some pancetta. What we're gonna do is get the cast iron pan hot. Pancetta goes in, renders out. Then we throw in the shaved Brussels sprout and the Mirepoix, and then we put the pancetta back in, and it's a beautiful side dish. So, and it happens very quick. I like to get some of my vegetables done. So we're gonna do right now a little bit of vegetable prep. Nothing is going to harm these, like thyme is not gonna harm any of this preparation. We're just gonna shave these by hand. You can do them with a mandolin, but I enjoy doing with a little ceramic knife here, so. And they don't have to be perfect, because that wood oven being so hot is just gonna tear these things up. So you want about around that kind of thickness there, because what you want is that cast iron to give it a really awesome, just char, like caramelized brown. Oh, it's a gorgeous dish. All right, so we have our shaved Brussels sprouts here. We're just gonna put them away. These cute little Tupperware here. And that way, tomorrow, all you gotta do is pull lids, you're ready. Boom, fast. Now we're gonna get into the Mirepoix, celery, carrots, and onions. I like to run these carrots across a mandolin with the little ribbon cutter, julienne cutter. I like to get down to about that much, and I'll eat the rest. That's it. That's all we need. And we're gonna just cut it into a little brunoise, little tiny squares. So we're gonna go right into this tupper. We're gonna get into the onion. We'll go fairly small on him. And then we're just gonna kind of shave him up. And add him to our carrot. Now for our celery, I like to cut these guys in half. Cut them in half again, and then that way you get a nice flat surface. And you can just kind of cut them into little matchsticks. Now we're gonna turn them sideways. Put our celery away. All right, so now for our pancetta. I like to get the stuff with a little bit of fat because it's delicious, first of all. But second of all, you need that fat. You're not gonna use another oil for the searing of the Brussels sprout. And we're just gonna kind of run the knife along it like that, and then I'll go back and do a little chop the other way. And a lot about Thanksgiving prep too. It's just, if you have everything done, look how easy this is now. It's all neat and orderly into its place. And to cover that up, pull it out tomorrow, cook it perfectly. And we're gonna add a little bit of this clarified butter that's infused with all that beautiful turkey. And we're gonna put a little of that in there. And now we're gonna finish up the Brussels sprouts. Let's do this thing. So what we're looking for here is this. Everything all rendered out, crispy pancetta. And the important thing here is to put the Brussels sprouts down, give it a little shake, because what you want is some caramelization out of the vegetable. So you want to kind of just swizzle those down in there a little bit, have them pick up some of that fat. And what's going to happen is that fat is going to caramelize those vegetables on the bottom. So now we got our Brussels cooked down a little bit. We're just going to add our Mirepoix, which is going to just add a great, fantastic crunch and flavor. Put those right up on top there. Ooh, man. Woo! Perfect. We're ready. Here we have our gorgeous shaved Brussels sprouts with pancetta and Mirepoix. I'll plate this guy up. Oh my gosh, what a dish.